wanted to give you the specifics on the assignment for the digital book topic choice assignment that you are going to have to complete for this week. This is your only assignment for this week, so I should see more than just a sentence or two from you for each or from these answers. So here's what you're going to need to do for this project. Once you have done some preliminary research to understand what your topic is going to be and who your author is going to be and how your author is going to connect to your topic, answer these questions. So the first thing you're going to need to do is answer, which of the three big topics from page 2 are you selecting from? If you're asking yourself, what does she mean page 2? Go back into the classroom. It is that big document that goes over the entire project. It's the digital book overview document, okay? So you're going to explain which of the big 3 topics you're going to select, and then you're going to select an author from that category, and you're going to write down who you're going to research. If you have another British author in mind that fits into the category, just email me. And if you give permission to use that name, put that name there. Okay, so here's where I want to see more than just a sentence or two. Why this topic and author? Why does it interest you? So don't just say, because you're making me do a project. Really explain why you want to do this and why it interests you. And then explain what you already know about this topic, their works, the time period of the author, and the big topic ideas from the first question. We've gone over this semester, so I should see more than just a sentence or two for your answer here. Again, this is your only assignment for the week. What are you hoping to learn or discover as you research? So I should see about a paragraph here. Do you understand that you may not use Wikipedia as a source, that it cannot be cited in your paper or listed as a reference? So that would be a yes or no question, but I'm really driving that point home. Do not use Wikipedia. But I also want you to understand, do you understand that you may use Wikipedia as a starting point? If you remember from the video, the part 1 video, the digital book explanation video, part 1, I showed you where you could find your sources for, if you like a Wikipedia article, that's a good starting point where you could find some sources about an author. Do you understand that general references, such as encyclopedias or dictionaries, are not acceptable for this project? So I want to acknowledge that. Do you understand that it is your responsibility to check your web sources to determine if they're credible or reliable? This is your responsibility. Okay, I can give you checklists that can help guide you, but you should really be looking for that bias there. Do you know how to check a web source's credibility? Well, do you know what to look for? If not, click here. Like I just said, I can provide it for you, or you can just go ahead and use this stuff right here. Do you know that there is a video in the course content that shows you how to use Online Info Ohio database to find good and source articles? Make sure you watch that, okay? It is incredibly helpful. And then do you understand that it is highly recommended that you start the search in your database? Again, I cannot point this out enough. Do not wait to do this project. It is going to be hard to pass if you don't start it now. Okay? Now, once you've completed this, start researching. Your first task is to find information sources that will help you write this formal traditional essay. I'm looking for significant work here. So make sure that you're proving that point. And don't forget your research focus, which is your chosen author, his or her life and background society, his or her works that relate to the big topic. How is this author's work influenced by the time and place in which it was written? Okay? Do not use encyclopedias. Do not use Wikipedia. Make sure that you're using these helpful pages right here to check whether or not your sources are credible, and make sure that you're using Info Ohio. If you have any questions, just ask your teachers. Thank you.